The other night I drifted nice, continental drifted by mountain, sit in a line, Leonard Bernstein, Leonard Brezhnev, Lenny Bruce and Lester Banks, birthday party, cheesecake, jelly bean, boom, you symbiotic, patriotic, slam button, that, right? Right. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. In the time of chimpanzees, I was a monkey. Butane in my veins and a mouth to cut the chunky with the plastic eyeballs. Spray paint the vegetables, dog food skulls with the beefcake pantyhose. Kill the headlights and put it in neutral. Stock car flaming with the loser and the cruise control. Babies in Reno with the vitamin D. Got a couple of couches, sleep on the love seat. Someone came saying I'm insane to complain about a shotgun wedding and a stain on my shirt. Don't believe everything that you breathe. You get a parking violation and a maggot on your sleeve. So shave your face with some mace in the dark. Saving all your food stamps and burning down the trailer park. Yo, cut it. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Forces of evil in a bozo nightmare. Ban all the music with a phony gas chamber. Cause one's got a weasel and other's got a flag. One's on the pole, shove the other in the bag. With the rerun shows and the cocaine nose job. The daytime crap of the folk singer slub. He hung himself with a guitar string. A slab of turkey neck and it's hanging from a pigeon wing. To get right if you can't relate. Trade the cash for the beat, for the body, for the hate. And my time is a piece of wax falling on a termite who's choking on the splinters. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Get crazy with the cheese whiz. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Drive by body pierce. Yo, bring it on down.
What up? Alright. Okay, so basically while you're at your RetroPie screen or whatever, because you kind of want to, when you make changes like this, you don't want to do it with emulation station running, so you're going to want to hit F4, and you'll basically drop out to the command line. Oh, I got two monitors going, so. And basically your RetroPie thing should pop up or whatever. Um, so yeah, basically what you want to type is CD. Make sure the case is the same. CD RetroPie dash setup. I think that's how it goes. Here, I got it in my memory, and I'll blow it up so you can see it too. So you dropped out to your command line, right? Kind of shitty that the magnifier takes up both screens. All right, so basically CD RetroPie setup. Here, let me put them both in. Oh, I can still type. And then you're gonna type sudo. This janky ass microphone, man. Fucking Microsoft's garbage, I swear. Yeah, those are your two commands. This one right here, and this right here. You make sure you're in this directory, or it's not gonna work. Ah, damn it. F4. Yeah, this shit's taking up both my screens. This magnifier sucks. I can't like change it. Yeah, I'll leave this video up too so you can come back here or whatever. I heard a little dingy. I don't know what it was though. How's there 3 viewers? I didn't even list this shit. Yeah, F4 on your emulation station should load to the command line. Oh yeah, you probably don't have your fucking keyboard hooked to the thing. Um, so I mean, you can start and exit. I didn't even think of that. You can start and exit the fucking thing, but you're gonna need to type the shit anyway. So you're probably gonna want to grab your keyboard. How do I get out of this fucking magnifier? Really? Can't turn it off for one screen, huh? Well, that sucks. All right, yeah. If you want to chat out here, that's better. You can hear me through the microphone, or you can't hear me on the video. Ah, shit. I didn't fucking. Says it's active. Let me try to transition it. What about now? Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Yeah, F4 drops out to the command line, or you can actually press start and go to quit emulation station. But quit, don't shut down. But yeah, let me know when you got the second command ready to go, and let me see if this has got a magnifier. Yeah, dude, it's or stretch is what the distribution is. Well, hell, hold on, I probably went dark. I unplugged my damn HDMI. Yeah, stretch is pretty much deprecated at this point. Uh, let's see if I can get some zoom action going. Um, Let me try to turn the huh. Hit enter a few times. Your screen might be cut off at the bottom. Because that's the beginning of the bash. Alright, yeah. This time just quit this time instead of hitting F4, quit, by the menus, just exit or whatever. Or is that what it was? It was cut off at the bottom. Alright, I know what to do. We are gonna go in through the RetroPie menu here. Let me show you. Well, for record, this is how you get there to this. We're just gonna exit. Make sure we perform the reboot and not go back in the emulation station. Because, like I said, I mean it shouldn't really change anything, but basically you'll lose your unsaved shit. Or I've had lists mess up on me for similar things, so I'm gonna start a new terminal. All right, you're gonna go to RetroPie and RetroPie setup. I gotta put my fucking password in. All right, update your script, but it's gonna basically say that it's deprecated and that you're only gonna be allowed to update with the latest binaries that the last binaries that they left for it. It shouldn't hurt anything to upgrade the script though. Let me see what. Let me poke around a little bit. It's been a while. I gotta install that. Might have took you in the wrong direction anyway. It might be just run command. Let me see. Nope, it's not it either. It's the configurator. Okay. Um, this CPU governor thing also. Uh, I don't know if you have. Uh, are you in the RetroPie menu? Oh, go to good. You didn't go in yet. I think I went the wrong way in the wrong menu anyway. You're gonna want to go to the configuration editor. And you should be able to go to those systems. Or let me take a look real quick. Hold on. Ah, that's the wrong shit too, man. Well, hell. It's not it. Maybe it's in advanced. You said you're having trouble with the Super Nintendo? Ah, fuck. Okay. Go back, exit out of the configuration thing. Let me check in. Yeah, I already checked there. Wait. Ah, I think this is it. That's not it. Yeah, just give me 2 seconds, man. It's pretty extensive here. This is the game list location. Core options. I just checked that. Trying to find because there's somewhere in here is you can edit the default emulators. That's skyscraper. Then how the hell would I fix this? Son of a bitch. Not in core. Here, let me see the global configs. Input log, temporary input, game lists. That wouldn't be it. Uh, that's it for that, huh? Oh, okay. Here we go. I figured it out. Uh, okay. Where's that again? Yeah, I was just there a few minutes ago too. All right, let me. Where you at right now? I'm back out to the RetroPie menu. But where are you at in the menus right now? Sorry, I had to poke around for a while, man. It's been a while since I messed around that deep in these settings. All right, cool. All right, so let me go back in. Let me blow this up. All right, let me try to remember where that was. It wasn't here. Hold on. It's probably advanced. Uh, Go to advanced in all configurations and go to run command.cfg and send me a picture of what it says. I haven't actually even ran a game yet, so mine's gonna be set to default. Are you using your? Did you try with the keyboard? And or if you were using the keyboard, you try with the hold on. You have to you said it won't let you, huh? Are you sure you're not hitting back? Because you got to make sure you hit, go back and forth between OK and back. You shouldn't have to put your password in. Shit. You, well, what the hell? Um, you're gonna have to try to go back in the emulation station and shit, that's a whole another mess though. Here, let me poke around for a second again. There might be another way of workaround for that. All right, if you're gonna go, you're gonna want to go back into emulation station, and then go into RetroPie setup, and go into the configuration part, and you can edit it from in there too. It's just another path to it. But actually, we're not gonna do that because it's probably gonna do the same thing. I'm thinking you could shut this off, maybe. That's for generation. Here, I'm gonna generate mine real quick. Oh, come on, man. Maybe you're hitting the wrong button. Apparently, you have to press A. I thought it was any button. All right, let me take a look at what you just sent me. Yeah. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of you, man. And actually, I don't know how to get the hell out of this. Kind of got stuck on me. Well, that will help. I don't know where I'm stuck, dude. Oh, here we go. I ain't gonna have to go through all these, am I? Apparently. Alright, now that I got that set up, oh, here we are. Go down, if you're still in that same menu, go down to, run command. And send me a picture inside the run command. Actually, it's a good thing anyway, because I can check your run command configuration and see what you're set to. Because yeah, bro, this is where I was looking. Well, what I was looking for the whole time, man. It's in there in that first menu, but you couldn't get to it. All right, change that delay to 10 seconds. Um, turn the art off. You can come back in here and turn it back on or whatever. And then go to CPU configuration. And send me a picture of what it says, because I can't go in there. I mean, I can, but I have no options because I'm not on I'm not on RetroPie. Yeah, don't change anything in there. Just show me what it says. Set it to if you're having any issues with your games, you probably want to put it on force on demand. If you're having any issues with choppiness or latency or anything like that, then bump it up to force performance. But yeah, force on demand probably be the ideal. I hit OK and back out. Don't go back to well, I mean, yeah, you go back to your it won't affect any of the lists. Go back to emulation station. Here, I'll go with you. I'm gonna set mine to 10. Ah, hell. You might need to restart before I take it back. So I would do that. I would reboot from the emulation station menu though. Yeah. I know I wasn't having trouble though. But this is the screen we're trying to get to. All right, cool. Yeah, I was setting this up anyway, man. Cause I gotta I'm trying to do something with that Fightcade. I don't know if you've heard of that. Um, it's basically a platform that's getting pretty popular. Where basically somebody figured out how to make retro games playable online. I don't know how the hell they did it, but yeah, basically somebody set up a platform because it's really like complex, and you gotta both have the same exact ROM, and there's so many dumps out there that's really fucking hard to do. You have to have the same exact version of the emulators. There's a lot of bullshit, when it comes to arcade emulators. Um, so to get everybody on board with that is like, there's so many arcade sets, it's fucking ridiculous. And somebody figured out some kind of system somehow, and I read how he made it work. The shit is like AI. It literally tries to guess what you're gonna do next, and that's how they fix the latency problem. Because apparently it's right a lot. But yeah, like these guys are like having tournaments. So you hold on, I'll send you a link to the couple of the videos, man. These guys like there's lobbies for all kinds of games, man. There's people on there right now playing online Bubble Bobble. It's just nuts. But yeah, I got the whole set, and I need to generate some lists for it. Yeah, this is like some of the matches. I haven't fought on it yet, but I imagine I'm gonna get my ass handed to me bad. These guys are gonna scrap. But yeah, I mean, basically the full set of Fightcade rounds are 21 gigabyte download. So I mean, it's not trying to put something together, kind of a combination of I don't know if you played around with the ROM downloader. I found one for this shit. But yeah, I'm trying to do something with it. I might be coming out with a Cody build or whatever. Yeah, this shit. That's the number one game they play, Third Strike. Those lobbies, you can't even get a turn. Your Cody setup, I might be able to help you with too. Uh, it should only take me a few minutes to adapt. I have the master download of the archive uh, ROM, downloader, and I got my old build from that version, so I might be able to. Cause I mean, I don't know, like there's still, yeah, I'll throw you something together as far as Cody goes. Uh, you're gonna want to change that shit to 720 though. I figured that out after wasting so much time on it, man. It just, it doesn't agree with 1080 too much as far as video goes. USB. You good? What you duck out for dinner? All right, cool. I'm surprised they could host all those games. It doesn't seem like their download server is very good. While I'm on here, though. Well, that's great. Chunky, man. Just strip it down. Which one was this? Much better, much smaller. Okay. Yeah. Thought I turned that shit off. Alright, I hear you beeping. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to set up. Thought I was gonna push that to my download manager. Oh fuck. This thing seems like it's fucking riddled, huh? Alright, so looks like I'm Oh yeah, wrong password. I'm gonna take care of you, man. Don't worry about it. Another thing you do is drop out to the command line. Let me see if I can remember how to do this. Well, that sucks. Hold on, shit. No, that didn't work. This won't work on RetroPie. I'm gonna try to run it windowed. Yeah, this definitely won't work. I tried it. Might not work on this either. Apparently it did. There doesn't seem to be a lot of fuck commands though, man. Nah, I was hoping I could see a log of the shit. All right. Yeah, select changer for the systems that's giving you problems. Repeat what you just did and change the default emulator. You want to aim towards the ones that say LR, or actually, let me go here. I'm gonna take. I'm gonna cruise into. Uh, Go ahead and pull up one of the, or one of the systems that's giving you problems. Let me know which one it is, and we're gonna do this one by one, and I'll tell you what to pick. All right, and this is what system? What system is this? Oh, this is NES. Nestopia is fine, man, and Quick Nest. Those are both good. Nestopia is definitely a just as good as the original default. And you could, I mean, there's a ton of them you could download if not. I tried to kind of downsize it a couple times so it's not gonna have all the emulators. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Pick Nestopia. Yeah, let's do these one by one. Everyone that's broke, man. All right. Did you try to run it first? Try to run a game on the NES with the new default. Don't You're gonna wait. You're gonna Here. Let me go into emulation station. Or no, I can't. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna pull both up. It's gonna show that damn image for 10 seconds anyway. What? Okay. Hold on. No, I was trying to go in there, but version 20. That's wild. It ain't even out yet. Shit. There we go. Yeah, select their default. Highlight the one you want, and then hit OK, not cancel. Hit OK, and then go to exit without launching. Or you could just launch the game and make sure it plays, and you select the exit. You know what I'm saying? That's how you can basically do all these too. So you can find the right one, you know what I'm saying, play around with it, make sure it's good. Because some of these, I mean, if you go into the RetroPie setup menu, there's multiple menus in there. There's main, and there's optional, and there's it's what the hell is it? Experimental. You want to obviously, you want to aim towards the main and the optional ones. Once you start getting experimental, really it's hit or miss. Basically, you can update the emulators. It won't hurt nothing. You can update everything pretty much. It won't change. It shouldn't break anything. But either way, I'm gonna get you set up. um. Okay. Try it. Do you want to try the other one real quick? There was Nestopia. I forget the name of the hell was the other one? It's right here on my screen. Quick Nest. You went to launch or exit without launching. Yeah, if you go into the RetroPie setup and you go to manage packages, you'll see you got your core packages is all your main shit. That's your emulation station. That's your RetroArch. your run command and your RetroPie menu. Um, your main is going to be all your main emulators that work the best. As far as compatibility goes, there's not many in there for me, apparently. But mine's not going to be the same as yours. With me, it's mostly going to be the same, but yeah, actually, because the default NES is FCEU or MM. You can, if you want, you could update all installed main packages. Um, it's going to take a little while because they're updating from source, so they have to be compiled. It's not just it's not like just installing a package with uh, when you compile source, you're basically adapting the source code to your hardware. Optional has a lot of options, but the ones you want to aim towards are the ones that say LR at the beginning, because those are libretro. Those are basically made by RetroArch, and they're supported. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, these other ones should work fine too. And you can read what they say at the bottom. I don't know. You might. There is a way to fix that border problem. The way to fix that is to basically drop out to the no, you got that. You should have the option right in your uh retro or let me see. Shit. I won't have it. But there should be an option to take you to raspi config, or you could get it to it from the command line by typing raspi-config, which I'm gonna type it for you. Still stuck on FC, huh? Shit, something's up, man. Shit. I mean, hmm. Yeah, something's up with your I don't know if it's I don't know if you don't have administrator privileges or what. Here, let me take a look at and see where your default it won't be in core options because you could ah cool. What I would do or try to do, yeah, let's do that. Okay, it's gonna suck though because you ain't gonna be able to see what you're typing, but you're gonna have to drop out to the command line. Uh, by quitting emulation station or whatever. Type I'm not gonna have it, but type raspi dash config. See, I don't have it, but it should pop up, or we could do it from the command line if even if that doesn't load. So let me know when you're they're gonna change your password, your root password. And hopefully that'll restore the privileges. He might not even be able to get to it. I think you have to type sudo raspi config. Go to the part where it says password and change your root password. You're not gonna see when you start typing it, so just be mindful of the keys you press. And you have to confirm it though. Yeah, I'm gonna throw you something together. I mean, the one thing I'm worried about though, I'm gonna look it up right now actually, is I ran into a problem and I don't remember when it was. Uh, where basically I went to use my image on yeah, change user password. Remember, you're not gonna see what you're typing, but it's still being typed. And either way, I'm gonna get you updated here and shit. I'm gonna knock the dust off of mine and update it. I'm downloading RetroPie right now. But yeah, like I said, there was a revision, and I'm a little worried about the revision because I don't remember. I mean, I think that was way before. Like you got one for me or whatever. But yeah, that was a headache. Now, and you're gonna have to let me know the size of your image too, or the size of your SD, because I'm gonna have to shrink it and make sure that it fits. Because I learned the hard way. They don't make all SD cards the same size, even though they're the same size. So 232 gigabytes of different brands are not going to be the same size, and if they're not, if one's a tiny bit smaller and you try to go, one's a tiny bit bigger and you try to go to a smaller one, it's not going to fit because it's all one image. It's not just a bunch of files; it's an image. Okay, as far as the hardware, I don't know if you're still listening or monitoring, or I don't want to talk to myself. All right, cool. Yeah, that's what I figured it was. Um, as far as your hardware, there is an updated one out, but it's still in beta, so it's janky as hell. As far as the uh, it's different. Uh, so basically, like the video setup is different. It doesn't have an HDMI. It has some kind of weird mini HDMI shit. They it's yeah, it's totally different. I mean, I can't obviously I can't set up nothing for it uh unless I have the hardware or whatever. But I can pull out. So I mean, you're gonna have to make a decision as far as the hardware goes. If you want to move up to a four and buy one, I can pull out um all the games and all the art and all the lists from mine and tell you exactly how to extract it into yours if you upgrade to a four. It's going to be the same setup as far as the directories go, because emulation station hasn't changed in a few years. The guy that made it pretty much disappeared or whatever, uh, so it's not supported. So it's going to be the same setup. Uh, as far as your password being changed, I would try to do it from the command line. I would try to do the here. I'll type the commands. Just be, you ain't gonna be able to see it, but make sure to match the case. Mind the period on this too. Those will take you into the RetroPie setup from the command line, um, which I think I'm thinking that emulation station might have them locked for some reason. And fucking let me think. Here, actually, don't type that yet. I might have a third one for you to type. I think I know what the problem is. Hold on, I got you. All right, let me get. All right, here's the three. That CH mod should give you privileges or administrator, or it should restore your administrator privilege to the whole directory. How the hell did that happen? Is what I'd like to know. Probably something I did, man. When I did I've gotten a lot better with Linux or whatever. Yeah, I fucking restart it. Yeah, I'm gonna have you a fresh setup or whatever. I'm just gonna extract mine into it uh, all you need is like two tools to flash it into yours. One would be SD formatter, and the other would be both open source Win32 disk imager. It's real easy. The shit went out. Nah, still. I already got Buster, man, so let me go ahead and resume this. Yeah, reset it. Damn, I can't believe it reset the or froze up the air though. You might no, you probably didn't. I'm gonna check now, right now, and see if I can just pull it because it won't take me long to throw this together because it's already fucking set up, you know. Let me take a look and see if I can use these old ass tools that I got. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, okay, duh. Actually, it's not a bad idea. What a fucking mess. Oh, yeah. What up, yo? That's weird. It just broke though, man. 34 gigs is the game folder. Alright, cool. Either way, I'm gonna get you set up. I don't know if you're still listening.